Good morning, children. Let's see the exercise of 8.2 Kutra Asti. Children, the first exercise is Chhatraha Shabdarupam Vadanti. Here you have to write, though it is written here Vadanti, you have to write all these exercises in your copy. Questions and answers both. Vargah, like Vargah Varge, the answers are here. Hastah Haste, Falakah Falake, Margah Marge, Parvatah Parvate. It is not Parvati, it is Parvate. In PDF file, I will give you the correct form. Asandah Asande, Ghatah Ghate, Karnah Karne, Vidyalayah Vidyalayhe. Then Kruti A is we have to write the locative case, that is Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan of all these words. Patram, Patre, Dwaram, Dware. All these words are of neuter gender, and here in Kruti A, all these words are of masculine gender, that is Pullingam. Mukham, Mukhe, Pushpam, Pushpe, Phalam, Phale, Shakam, Shake, Pustakam, Pustake, Panakam, Panake, Dugdam, Dugdhe, and Udyanam, Udyane. In 8.2, we have studied that we use Saptami Vibhakti to give or to tell the location of the thing. Now, up till now we have studied the Saptami Vibhakti of masculine gender and neuter gender. Now we will see the Saptami Vibhakti form of feminine gender. The Kruti E is, we have to write the Saptami Vibhakti of all these feminine gender words. Mapika, Mapikayam, Nasika, Nasikayam, Nalika, Nalikayam, Pathashala, Pathashalayam, Margika, Margikayam, Manjusha, Manjushayam, Sharkara, Sharkarayam, Vatika, Vatikayam, Dola, Dolayam. Now here, these are the words of feminine gender ending in A. Now we will see the words of feminine gender ending in Dirgha E, like Nadi table. Kartari, Kartaryam, Marjani, Marjarnyam, Lekhani, Lekhannyam, Punapurani, Punapuranyam, Ghati, Ghatyam, Kupi, Kupyam. Now, the Bhashabhyasah, the first question is Arthapurnani Vakyani Rachayata. By using all these words, for example, if we take the first example, Parvat Mandiram Asti or Nasti, we have to make the sentence by using proper form of the words given in the bracket. Now here, since we are telling the location of all these things, we have to take the Saptami Vibhakti or the Saptami Vibhakti form of all the words given in the bracket. That's why the sentences are Parvate Mandiram Asti. Mandiram Kutra Asti? Mandiram Parvate Asti. Then Lekhanyam Masi Asti. Pustake Geetam Asti. Dugde Sharkara Asti. Vatikayam Dola Asti. These are the sentences we framed by using the words given in the table. Now question number 2. Jalam Kutra Asti iti likhata. Here the common word is Jalam and the other words are Ganga, Samudraha, Nadi, Kalashah, Kupi and Sarovarah. We have to tell the location of Jala, where is the Jala or where is the water, by using all these words. So the sentences are Jalam Kuppam Asti. First this Kupi if we used. Then Jalam Kalashe, Jalam Kalashe Asti. Then Jalam Nadyam Asti. Then Jalam Samudre Asti. Then Jalam Gangayam Asti. And the last one is Jalam Sarovare Asti. Here Kuppam, Kalashe, Nadyam, Samudre, Gangayam and Sarovare, all these words are of Saptami Vibhakti. By their ending, their forms differentiate. That's why we use here Kuppam, then Kalashe, then Nadyam, Samudre, Gangayam and Sarovare. Children, you have to write all these question answers in your copy. Today we will start the new lesson or new topic, that is 8.3 Sahayakaha, which is given on page number 23. Now, here up till now we have studied two cases. First one is Shashti Vibhakti, that is genitive case. Second one is in 8.2 we have studied Saptami Vibhakti, that is locative case. And here we are going to study Trutiya Vibhakti, that is instrumental case. Now, what is the use of instrumental case? If we use instrumental case in the Sanskrit sentence, then the meaning of all the sentences are that you are taking help of something to do something. Like if we take first example, Sah Sudhakhandena Likhati. Now, if we take the example of Dev table, then the Trutiya Vibhakti is Devena Devabhyam Devaihi Trutiya. If we take Mala, then it is Malaya, Malabhyam and Malabhihi. And if we take Vanam table, then it is Vanena Vanabhyam Vanaihi. The meaning of Trutiya Vibhakti, when we translate Trutiya Vibhakti in English, we use words like with or by. Now we will see the example. Saha Sudha Khandena Likhati. Here, Sudha Khandena is the example of Trutiya Vibhakti. Saha means he. Sudha Khandena means with the help of chalk or with a piece of chalk. And Likhati means writes. He writes with a chalk. So, I used, instead of Sudha Khandena, I used here with a chalk. With or by are the two English words that came instead of Trutiya Vibhakti for Sanskrit word. Then, Aham Charanena Tadayami. Here, Charanena is the form of instrumental case. I kick with my foot or by my foot. Then, Aham Chamasena Khadami. Chamasam means spoon. Chamasena with a spoon. I eat with a spoon or by a spoon. Then, Sa Hastena Vadayati. She plays, she is playing here a drum. She plays with her hand. Now, here, Hastena is the form of singular number. That's why we are using hand. If she is using both hands, then the sentence will be like this. Sa hastabhyam vadayati. Then the next picture is given 8.3, second one. Saha yanena gacchati. He goes or he is going in a vehicle. Now we used yanena as in a vehicle or by a vehicle. Then aham mukhena vadami. I speak with my mouth or with mouth or by my mouth. Then sa vastrena marjayati. Marjayati means cleaning. She is cleaning with a cloth. Vastram means a cloth. Then Markatah Vyajanena Vijayati. Vijayati means he is fanning. Vyajanena by a fan. Markatah means a monkey. The monkey is fanning by a fan or with a fan. Then 8.3, the third one. Sa Mapikaya Alikhati. Now here you can see in previous examples, the examples of Trutiya Vibhakti is Yanena, Mukhena, Vastrena, Vejanena. Here the example has changed, that is it becomes Mapikaya. Why this change has come? Because Mapika is of feminine gender, its Trutiya Vibhakti is like Mala, Malaya, Mapikaya. That's why Sa Mapikaya Alikhati. She is drawing a line with a ruler. Mapika means a ruler or a scale. Balika Churikaya Kartayati. A girl is cutting with a knife or by a knife. Then Mata Velanya Rotikaha Karoti. The mother is making chapati with a rolling pin. Then Balakah प्या दुग्धं पिबति. Balakah means the child is drinking milk in a bottle. Now here we can say in a bottle or with a bottle or by a bottle. Then the 8.3 fourth one. Now here sah, the meaning of sah is with, WITH, with. Mandarah ninadena sah khelati. Mandar is playing with ninad. Shikshika छात्रया सह श्लोकम पठति. The teacher is reciting the verse with her student. छात्रया सह निनादेन सह. नीला मोहिन्या सह पुस्तकम पठति. Neela is reading a book with Mohini. Now the meaning of sah is with, WITH, and the meaning of vina is without, WITHOUT, without or except. मत्स्याः जलेन विना न जीवन्ति. Fishes do not live without water. Now vina means without. बालकः लड्डुकेन विना किमपि न खादति. The child doesn't eat anything except laddu or without laddu. वृद्धः उपनेत्रेण विना न पठति. The old man cannot read or doesn't read without specs. Now here we have completed 8.3 Sahayakaha, that is the sentences of instrumental case, that is Tritiya Vibhakti in Sanskrit language. In next period we will see the Bhashabhyas of 8.3 Sahayakaha. Your homework is to write the exercise of 8.2 which I have given in the video, and I am sending it in the PDF format also. So you have to write exercise of 8.2, all the question answers in your copy. Thank you.